This is why your Toyota 4Runner won't start. Don't panic, most issues are easy to spot. Let's walk through the most common reasons. First, check your battery. A dead or weak battery is the top reason your 4Runner won't start. If you hear only clicking, your battery likely needs a jump or replacement. Next, look at your starter. If turning the key gives you silence or just a single click, the starter could be faulty. Sometimes tapping it gently can help, but long-term, it may need replacing. Now let's talk about fuel. No fuel, no start. Make sure you have gas in the tank and listen for a quiet hum from the fuel pump when you turn the key. No sound? The fuel pump could be the issue. Another common problem is the ignition switch. If your lights and radio work, but the engine doesn't turn over, this might be the cause. Don't forget about the key itself. Modern 4Runners use chips in the key. If the security light flashes, your key may not be recognized. Finally, check your fuses and cables. Loose or corroded battery cables, or a blown fuse, can stop your 4Runner from starting. So before you call for a tow, check these simple things first. Most no-start problems are easy to fix, and you might even solve it at home. Stay safe and good luck getting back on the road.